So this automation can create video like this. Here you can see I built the automation that can video create like this. Here you can see this Instagram account have around 839k follower and the views got in millions. You can see like in millions of like in their video. You can see that they have also YouTube channel. They have around 8 millions, so it can create this type of video. This is the I think I search, and there were one channel that I found in TikTok, Pokemon mod really. Here you can see you can watch this. So let's build this workflow. I simply provide you these resources, and this is the workflow that I provide you with now. Let's go to Gumroad, and this is my own idea. You simply use ChatGPT to change it. So you can tell ChatGPT change it to like in your tone, like rewrite this prompt for like in Ronaldo. We can show you. This is the superhero with wearing their own brand like businesses, and they are working. I can use that niche. Let's copy the prompt. Simply drag it and simply copy this and go to ChatGPT and paste the value. So it can provide us a Google Sheet. Simply paste the sheet, then I paste the prompt, our prompt, then we open a Google Sheet. Let's open let's click on sheet.new to open a new sheet in our browser. Here you can see it is opening. It is writing our prompt. I think it can take our time. I don't know. Let's refresh this again so I can show it work. Okay, it is still loading. I think it is loaded. Let's again open ChatGPT in a new tab and again paste our prompt. If this is not working, we can try our own. Let's paste it here. Let's simply paste our prompt and then click on enter. Now we see the output. We need to wait for our output. Okay, we got successfully output. Here the status that take off in Neon City. Coffee brand hero. This coffee just I simply advertise as like CEO like the Elon Musk with their company Tesla. So I need to improve my prompt for this. Let's continue with this one. This is the best on your prompt writing skill. Let's go to this sheet. Simply drag the value and then drag it like here. Paste the prompt and let's remove this. Okay, everything is done. Let's go to our workflow on Mac. Let's rename it. So let's rename it zero touch video automation. Simply copy this, simply paste it, click on enter. Now go to make, go to first this workflow. This is for video generation. Click on this, choose your account, go to here and just paste it, click on enter. I think this is not loading. Do zero touch video automation and see this is the okay, this is the account. Just go back again in our workflow. I think this is the same account and choose our API zero touch. I think I need to find and let's search it. Zero touch AI agent. I think that is not. Let's cancel it. Let's click here. We simply need to delete that. Click on our account. Click on CS preset IT. Just paste it here, and we successfully find our thing. And I can provide you this workflow and status will be. So let's edit status. Let's click on here and simply drag it to bottom and go to data. I think it is. Go to data validation, click on that and click on add a rule, and the first is to do, second one will be done. Click on save. Now I go to file, go to share and share with other, and I can simply provide you this workflow. Go to restrict it and go to anyone with the link, copy link and go back to our click on done, go to Gumroad and simply paste our Google Sheet link here. Ctrl+V and just save changes and publish and continue. I think I also need to provide you workflow. Simply copy the URL and I can show you if I forget to. This is the URL that look like this. Now go to our workflow. I think here. Let's delete this. Go here and I think row number everything limit will be 1. Everything is fine. Click on run this module only. Connection doesn't exist. Bullshit problem. I think I forget to save so it can. Okay, let's search zero touch video automation. Click on that and everything is fine for me. Start search studio and just save and also save it. Create killing request, so click on that, click on add. So we need to add this thing, killing v1 std aspect ratio duration cfg. You simply, how can you add that? So I can guide you. Click on add, click on add item and simply enter the value like cgc video duration and press the value here so it can work. What is the killing API? Go to Gumroad. I can provide you everything. Simply open the link in a new tab. So I simply copy this and go back and open this link, and you simply need to purchase a subscription on this platform. You can purchase anything, anyone. I don't have any subscription, so I can only guide you. You need to do in yourself. Simply purchase a subscription, then you purchase a subscription, then you need to create a API key. For API key you need this Google clap, and we simply need to paste your token ID and token thing so it can generate. Let's also guide you with this one. Just copy this, go back, paste it, click on enter. So we need to paste our token ID, so generating it. So we need a API key, killing AI. You need to purchase a subscription. For you simply need to place your SS secret here. Simply replace this value, I think, and the SS key. Then we click on run. It was changing, and click on run here, so it can give us API key. Then go to our make workflow. I think this one, and simply paste the API key here, and simply replace this your token ID. And just paste it your API key, and everything is fine. And request JSON string will be from our here. JSON string, simply drag it here and profit response, and just save. So everything is fine. Let's go to our this workflow and click on here. Click on add webhook. Click on this and just save it, and just copy the address. Go to make this workflow. Simply press the value, click on cancel. Click on cancel, and get title and caption. For title and caption we need to choose our workflow AI. We simply need to choose our workflow. Zero touch automation. Go here. Let's search that. Zero touch AI agent. Simply choose that. Seat name, everything is fine, and we simply update the storage to done. I think we grab, and we simply update the prompt. We can search around, so we can get that. And so here we can convert our URL into binary form, so YouTube can understand binary form only. We simply need to choose our account and paste title, get file from HTTP, and everything is fine. So we do the same for Instagram, and this is for TikTok. We use the share. We simply need our TikTok API key. Simply paste API key, and everything is fine. Okay, bye.